Alright, so this is the redragon k582 surara. Able to pick it up for $34 at Best Buy. It does have 104 keys. It's a full-size keyboard, which I really like because I love the number pad there, and has full in-key rollover. It does have the red switches, which I like. So, you know, pretty much if my options are red, brown, or blue, I'm picking red every time. I did have, you saw the 18 RGB modes. Does have some software that I don't really care about, but apparently it does have software for macros if you're into that. I might just switch these reds out for some Acco Rose Reds just to give that a try. I think that would be kind of fun. I don't think it would be, greatly different, but might be. For value, I give it 5 stars. For build, I'd give it 4.5 stars. And overall, that's a 4.75. Definitely do appreciate everybody that's watching these. Keep watching them. I'll keep making them. I got a whole bunch more stuff that I need to go ahead and review for you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate it.